All right, y'all. So again, man, it's been a long while. Y'all remember I dug all that up. I gotta rake all this up. All this, there's a lot of dead grass. Um, but I did this video. They got this, this grass stuff, St. Augustine. It comes on a spool, and you rake it. And what I do, I put monagalite down. I throw that down, and then you roll it out. Comes on a tube, and that's 2 of them. So that covers, and I got a little bit left. So you wet it, and then you wet it, and it's supposed to, then right here, I'm gonna probably put another line up there. I'll probably cut a piece and put it up there along the side. Or I might just throw some seeds down there. Just a test run to see how this product here works out. This is day 1 of that. I'm gonna bring my hose from over there around, and then I'm gonna walk on the shells so I don't step on the grass. So, and I'm gonna probably do this. I don't know. I'm not gonna say tomorrow. My schedule is kind of to be busy, so that's what's taking so long. So what I'm gonna do is, I did this one to see I'm gonna need help. So the kids, I'm getting old. I'm gonna pass this on. This part of the mantle on. So you buy another house, I'm gonna move in some woods, get away from the city life. They could take over this house and teach them how to maintain it. So I still gotta get all this up. That's my shed. It's a project. But I took all that up. I put down grass right there. I got a couple other pieces to fill. I was gonna do the whole backyard like that. Just didn't have time. This is a piece that's left. Gotta tack it down. So that's my grill. So it holds up pretty good. It's worth it. I paid like about $1,000 for it. You see, I'm gonna run it down there. Gotta put it down. There's low maintenance, if any maintenance, none. So that's the backyard. Keep showing you my back porch. Kind of junky. It's like a lot of to-do projects. Yeah, I'm gonna show you. Some of my equipment, treadmill, tires. Cause I pulled all this stuff out of the garage. My son, we were supposed to go do some flying drones. I crashed that and broke it. I called myself trying to learn it before he did, but what he was doing, he was YouTubing it. And he figured it out. So I broke that. He using that for parts. It might work. He just probably got to change the blade. I just haven't had time for it. This used to be the barber chair. But my whole video was that backyard. So peace out.